Good morning, traders. NQ is starting the week with a fresh shift in sentiment. After the weaker US retail sales pushed the rate expectations lower, that gives the bulls another reason to stay interested. But I don't want to chase anything. I don't want to enter the market with a perspective that this is going to happen, this is what will go on. No. I want to see where London takes liquidity first and which levels hold, whether the buyers can actually prove they're still in control. Now, let's build the plan. Before I do that, please hit the like and subscribe button on this video so that we can grow further together and bring more things to you. Let's get into it. All right, let's start by looking at the weekly chart. We last week have left a nice little fair value gap right over here. Now, the price can take support from this fair value gap and basically react positively. And that will give me confidence that the price is now trying to head towards all-time high or new end of year target that I had in mind. Now, looking at this week's open, it's been a slight gap up open as you can see over here. Now, this gap is going to act like a balance for me to be able to deduce whether the market wants to push higher before going into that fair value gap or the market first intends to go inside that fair value gap. If the market intends to go inside that fair value gap, I will have a bearish mindset for the first couple of days of this week. And once we start getting into the Q3 of the week, that is Thursday, Friday, I'll start turning bullish. Let's keep an eye on this. It's a very, very crucial area. This new week opening gap is going to basically be our compass. So let's get down to daily chart and see what the daily is looking like. Now on the daily, to see what the market really wants to do, I want you to mark this Friday high. This Friday high is crucial, guys. If the market can basically displace above this Friday high, we know that the market has turned bullish. We can basically try to find trades out of there. But until and unless this Friday high is not liquidated and we don't react to this Friday high, I don't see any trade in the market, whether it be on the higher time frame, medium time frame, or lower time frame. Let's look at the medium time frame just to get an idea or just gist of where the market might be targeting. Now, the market has come out of this triangular consolidation. Right over here, we had this lovely triangle and we are trying to break out of it. After breaking out of it, we have left a nice little back-to-back fair value, now nice little fair value gap, which we have retested very cutely. Now, if this is what's going to play out, we need to measure the target of this triangle and then we can use this target to see where the market might want to push towards, and that is the area of 30,718. This could be today's intraday liquidity, guys. Keep that in mind. But until we show some sort of acceleration above 32,783, those 500 points game is not yet there for us. Once we have accelerated above it, that's when we can look at those 500 points range and start playing that as we would want on the lower time frames. I don't see anything else on the 4 hourly time frame apart from that which will give me a direction and which could tell me where the market really wants to head towards. Looking at the hourly time frame, we basically have this lovely little fair value gap right over here, and then we bounced out of it. Now once we were bouncing out of it, we left a back-to-back fair value gap right over here. So let's just quickly measure it and see where it points to. We are coming close to that 200% to 250% target area, guys. Once the target is achieved, the market could very well keep pushing higher to the 400 450%, and we could get our London trade on the lower time frame. What I wanted to wait for though is a sweep of this high, and then the market comes back to retest it, and then it leaves a fair value gap on the other side. That would be the way I want to trade this market right now. Now looking at the intraday levels, we have already swept the Asia high. We swept it, came back below, and now we are pushing back above. This 15-minute candle will end up leaving a back-to-back fair value gap right over here. If it does that, there could be a lovely trade for you to catch from these areas on to 200 to 200 to 50% and 400 to 450%. But please be cautious. As I said, Friday's high is right where price is trading right now. You do not want to preempt this market and try to make a move which might not work for you. You just want to stay out, wait, and get the right opportunity to enter the trade. For me, a bullish scenario looks more validated right now. I would want to see a nice close in 12 minutes time. I hope it doesn't rush straight away up, but if it does, it is what it is. If it doesn't, then I want to see a nice push back into this fair value gap, and I want to take a trade from here with a stop loss under this area to the 200 to 250% or 400 to 450%, whichever is giving me the best risk to reward in terms of achievable stuff. So guys, keep your eyes open. Today's market could be genuinely very easy, but it could basically trap you into false moves if the price does not react the way we think it should at these highs. Keep your eyes peeled on the charts, guys. Make sure you have a very clear plan, and hope these videos are helping you be able to plan your day very well. If you like that, please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. It really helps. Plan for Monday, guys. I should say not just Monday, maybe throughout the week. The bullish case is there, but now price has to prove it. I'm waiting for NQ to come into my levels, to basically break those highs, to basically show displacement. Once it shows the reaction, and only then do I care about taking the trade. Drop your bias in the comment section. Hit the like and subscribe button if this has helped you, and if you like watching these sort of videos. Trade, stay safe, stay disciplined. Thank